Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Wabota na wagadio na wa vote number seki. It is say they share money, my sister. You know say Abaseki not they share money. Now shame and disgrace na be home. Now you know. Now you know. Abaseki not they share money. He say yamu don't carry money give am. So may he follow am. But you go remember say if he say yamu money wey give am, so now you go take care of people wey dey come there. Wabota la wa vote in Obaseki iyo pa kan ti guma dole doyi u be ga yen se ya mu ga go kian e won ta mai kian ta wunu ba mi go meta ba kian ita wunu igo na yo bo kan si aye no won ya me mai be ke Nigeria e polo say I can say the whole Nigeria, the whole Africa. Maybe a governor in a foundation error so God just say can look at 1 year not the way because the Obaseki man support foundation or anything all do I condemn you know okay is that ya mu me go na worry ya ona mi go mu no do say because he go here me ti oni ye am me go na worry ya na me mu ne Obaseki guy go Igo na Obaseki me no ya gbo ma dole doye e no eni ase me na we no vote ne no wa ti wa no vote na Obaseki eni adona one ya because ru da gbe wo Obaseki oshomo lebe ze ya mu na we gbe de ru da gbe wo ya na de we ya pe video pa ma wa pan no wa da me ho is that ya mu promise Oturi Kabaka when he got we vote on this 19th of September 16th of November he got hand over Eki ini ya collect go imagine just imagine they will not tell at unu awa ma yo na imi agbewu you know we are gbe fi agbewu la dian so ma ke wa le le gbon radio meaning by you that just state in that day because of agbewu in that day one year rule that agbewu in that day one year so you win anybody better you win Eturi Kabaka or more keke win Godfather because they show me like Godfather then you hear you go guy ya gwa lo so wala wo vote no Obaseki wa ga da be say ya mu oji no o imagine can a pastor like the public joke we cut it in car imagine o ere ya ne shomo letter no o geru gbe ropa all na true one ya so wala wo vote no Obaseki if yes I vote in Obaseki so that Obaseki with 4 years another 4 years coming then esan ila because we ga vote instead yamu deje ujo bonuwa ali neme baba aba me wa wo vote in Obaseki awo dole do inima iza yamu mejo popa no dori enu wa ye Isaiah mu dia dodo mu dori ya wala wo wa vote na Obaseki Isaiah mu Obaseki ga ila wo ibore esan yi la o dete shomo le we nesan me no ri Obaseki de Isaiah mu de no ri we san le lona gbe ade we wona gbe ri bae on the way fight lele wa man yen na wo man like esan wa ya vote ni Obaseki Isaiah mu dere ba ye yoji no awe gbe fi aba gbe u de wa wona gbe u do agbere egbiju wa be kia abi no do agbo ti wa be ki wa wona do agbere ti wa be kia o Wala wo wa vote no Baseki. Wan wo. Wa get your boy Baseki yeke. Abaseki ogi ma we no. Ize ya mu mejo pokpa na odi enuma. Esa oje. No wala wo. Wa do vote no Baseki. Abaseki o de. Won ya. Abaseki ne go pa na otu ega mejo pokpa ize ya mu mejo pokpa igo ya no do mu na nia. No do ga na nia. E de ha de do ha amona so na osana yo tore ne ti we gbe we mi ove what is the need wa kan go ya vote ne gbon we rio wa kan go ya vote ne gbon we rio who be this Jesse? He say Abaseki is a killer. He kill your papa
If I have to rent the service of Rewire, I will give them 10. The benefit.
now they look what they right. Abaseki na kill what of a Tony Kabaka what it can be.
Thanks to everyone who has subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. And all traders keep.
I not try.
Yamu offers market revenue collection contract.
Who will not try?
Kabaka exposed.
I bet not the year when I say yes.
Afternoon, good evening.
When I listen, no. Is the big Tony Kabaka come back again,
Ize Yamu has offered Kabaka, Tony Kabaka and his boys the collection of market revenue if he gets elected in. And the traders, this whole arrangement has been exposed.
And I will but
And say, well, this kind of a person, yeah, what's not mine, I don't want to say it. Anyway, my people, those election is actually 53 days from today. And the plot has already been, revealed that Ize Yamu up front has promised Tony Kabaka and his boys. Tony Kabaka has the contract, him and his boys. If he wins the election, they will be
not the year,
market revenue. A situation that has been stopped by Governor Baseki going ahead and digitalizing this kind of revenue collection. Before time, marketsmen and women has constantly been harassed by what we call talks or locally called agberu, who comes and they collect, harass them and ask them to pay money for, contributions and what have you. Well, what we are hearing now is that it has been exposed that he has given them back the same contract. So what Governor Obaseki did when he came into office was one of those things he digitalized by making sure that everyone or anyone who has any form of revenue collection or payment, we go to the office, yes, collect a teller, go to the bank, pay, then show your teller and you have your receipts. So this has caused a lot of admin work and has taken them off the street, of which they are not happy about, and part of the reasons why they are seriously against the person of Governor Obaseki.
Good afternoon. Vivian, I will about for call.
Back on the streets and you will back to take on your job. I offer you, all you need to do is to get me elected back as the governor of Edo State. Well, let's get on to the news and get all the details. Edo traders kick as Ize Yamu offers market revenue collection. Solo tengo 15 segundos para hablarte de las cosas que todos los días encontramos.
Ah, we be fi agbe ure we an la we an mo na ne Tony Kabaka.
Kabaka and his boys exposed. Trouble is wailing in market across Edo State over the news of allegations of revenue collection contract to Tony Kabaka, popularly known as Kabaka, and his boys if he gets elected in as the governor. By the Global National candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC, Pastor Usagi Ize Yamu. Mrs. Grace, who operates a shop in the popular Oba market at King Square, Benin City, said the news broke around 6 a.m. this morning when we were getting ready to close our shops and go home. One of the union members told us that revenue collection in Oba market, Sarafina Street, Igwa market and other street markets around here have been contracted to Tony Kabaka and his fellow thugs. Speaking, popularly called Nomeles 2020, that
Well done, huh?
if he wins the September 19 election, the contract is already in motion.
Okay.
And the stamp date for that collection is November 16, 2020. Mrs. Grace added that our union leader who brought the news said they were invited to Ise Iyamu's compound in Benin City where they were told to get
Ise Iyamu though.
Iyamu wins the election, that it will be a time of reign of peace. Tony Kabaka is a peaceful man. They are made to understand that the revenue collection contract to Tony Kabaka and his supporters has been given to Ise Iyamu, which has contracted it to Tony Kabaka, she said. However, noted that the decision to give the market revenue collection to former Adams Oshomole Talk is not unpopular among the traders because it is a known fact and knowledge. The proposal is there on arrival because we have started mobilizing and sensitizing our members to get ready to stop Ise Iyamu from winning the election. For this singular act already he has started with our permanent voters card PVC. We know what we want. Do under the stocks while Oshomole was there as a governor, we suffered a lot. A return of this old regime will characterize harassment, humiliation, exploitation of traders. It's not acceptable and we will not vote for him. As a result, we are voting against him, Grace declared. Another trader, Mr. Kingsley Ifobu, lamented, our return to Tony Kabaka era will completely update and bring us back to the regime of former governor Oshomole. Here, harassment was a normal part of the day-to-day activity. Governor Godwin Obaseki has stopped that era and we are happy about it. You go to the bank, pay with your teller, and you are in peace, nobody harassing you. He added, I have told my colleagues not to fret over this proposed return of Tony Kabaka to our market, intending to start on November the 16th, and to our motor parks because we will use our vote.
Why man take one that working at 40 now? Huh?
Initially,
One that working at 40 now.
vote cards to stop such devilish plan that is already in motion.
I would expect one pay who day.
On the day of election,
In your time, also only can you work here, you know.
if for nothing to stop this threat that is being hanged over us afresh again. We have enjoyed a great deal of social sanitization in our market under the incumbent governor, and we are going to keep things the way they are for another 4 years. We will not throw away good governance and replace it with mediocrity and people who do not care about the people but for their own selfish interests. Our people have not forgotten the harassment, humiliation we suffered under the misdirection and illiterate Kabaka, whom Oshomole made to govern us in the market. Anyone who wishes to return to that era, goodwill all the way, peace to you. But for us, we have determined to say enough is enough. We are not returning to that era. Well, my people, you have heard it all. This is what the news that the new market people broke up to this morning, reporting to us that they found out that the contract for the market has been given to Tony Kabaka.
Damn it, huh?
The intention is of that
Hey,
that is
hey, don't why you're there.
proposal
Oh,
saying if you
oh.
win,
I make a why you're well here.
exactly.
Panigo.
About the 15th. Well, my people, this is what is happening today, now, day and time. Tony Kabaka is ready to swing into motion. Hence, you can see the desperation in the way things are. Hence, you can see how people are getting ready. And those in the Ise Iyamu camp are saying, well, all the way leads to the government house if we win the election. Well, Edo people, you are the determinant of who will win this election. You are the determinant of what will happen in a few days to come. You are the determinant of how things will be decided in the polls. Elections are in full swing, and precisely September the 19th is the date. Don't forget, you have a voice. Use it wisely. So the market women have found out the split and are saying, my God, we are not ready to vote Ise Iyamu in if for nothing because of this alleged plot that has been uncovered. And as such, they are saying we are going to stand by our vote and we're going to make sure that that does not come back. They are referring to the time of Adams Oshomole when Kabaka was the one collecting all the revenue of the market. Some of them claim that there have been harassment, not only from the boys who collect this money, but from different quarters. They come, they don't speak to you politely. said just for this singular reason, they are not ready to go back to that regime. They are ready to stay and to make sure that their vote counts. Anyway, my people, whatever the decision is at the end of the day, September 19th,
Well, damn it, huh?
a true determinant.
Is there a young not take by pastor? Oh, I will pay if you are going to
So Shomole's dream of removing Gordon Obaseki will come to pass, or Edo will decide and say we want to keep Gordon Obaseki, or any of the 14 contestants. As a matter of fact, these are not the only persons in charge. Hello.
Well, damn it, huh? Is there a young will pay if you are going to Ubega na Tony Kabaka egbina na wale ore ko agbinaji we na we gbe ya asun agbe we do agbe le de ki yo se won na is ya mu ya lapo on 19th I can we vote na September on the 16th of November Tony Kabaka sun collect igeki Ubega wa ya na wa say Awa mumu dodu ege ya maka ya azu wale liyan mama yi gwa lagbe mama yi gwa le godfather no share the money mama yi need dey okay ni ma stand the yo okay ma mu di aja we di ma gwa leji aro pa ke wa la jana do ka gbe ni iyan igwa nyajo o wa ya ra wa ka me mi gwa ma kweja o when you have voted in a PDP, so that make an think we are paying nana wa edore. Wa beg any say yamu agbe adeba. We imagine how we are we gbe mo agbe ore. Agbe na wa ma igwa lo, or we gbe mu dey. Imagine. What hour? Wa ka me fi kwa na ya vote ni an. When you have voted no Obaseki. Because Obaseki magbala gbeu igo ya ni akonle ki ya to le joji we na Obaseki ye ya se na yan ye ka ma ya because am we go ni atu e guy I say na ka ma ya that time we go ni apane igo mare ni ya na le o lere we ge no we en foundation na ojo se ge no we do le joji o I say I'm Buhari esto eke nanya the office because here we time ona do aba to oge ona do aba oge is that yamu we go your ekpo ne because ori e what do we go your ekpo ne ona do aba oge adu take gba won salobo wo je church o wa ba ga fake pastor na hin wa gbagbe ni an wa say no to agbewu video audio na ko pass me ni pe
Hello, Wabota.
la wa han wa tama me yes
How do you know? Yeah, go to the psychic. To the psychic go. It was a what is a yam. When what ka bo go no. But if okpa no, wo e ka dele, wo e ka gbe yo pere. Mo gbe ba no ma pa eva. Wa la jam
Get look area where American American na where we bo. Yegene. No do ya fa fe pe wa na. Awe no ya ba pe oge. Adu utie gbo mo sa lo puwa. Agwa o. Wo ta pe gba won. Abasa ki ma mu go na nia. Is that ya me go na body ya na me mu ne. Ko si gori ya ni do kun. Where slave ya no nia. say ya mo ki no ya ba oge ona gele ade to ba oge afia na gbon eme eni anwe he say ya mo ki ohun why because imeternity ania abi no dere no hi ya ogbe oge ya tana we e say ya mu ọjọ́ sake o no gbara bo ni say ya mu je ona do aba abat oge official abat ma pa en fa gbe sabodi no nyaga ni so awe ko e ko salobuwa oge ni e ba ni ye ni oga gele a mata no we ko e ka salobuwa do go we ba e o salobuwa we gbina no ni because one we va gbon na o da o age we wa fi yoga ku wa pa we ga we tu we help money anyway election like authority I know what to do election like authority they will know who's who so now I go wa election like authority because this is getting too much ubage na na party die other gele do dejo when e wa gie you know wa gele wa be dejo ize ya mo meje pokpe no dori ene do wa la wa vote no ba seki ize ya mo meje pokpe no de dori ene do because we that gbe we na dey ubage video nana di pe wa bania ni pe wa bana wa gele he nya gbe ize ya mo me wa ro pa no do ujobo na gbara agbe o da ete era mi go ka you know ero ko ene gbe o wa ne no baseke hotel no baseke gwogo the government gwogo because the government of boys yeah is there yamu alagwa or they do replace ne and it's true imagine na you know na give me ya do be na nyagwe iya we gbe mu agbe ude imagine agbe na ko ma igwa lo we gbe mu de woni ado agbe gbe ma eve kibe ni aka do ni ayi yere ba ekwa iya mi kwa awo gbe fi yan de ayo kobo pe drivers ba mi kiyan o awo pe fi yan de so wara wa vote ni say yamu wa we mu wa vote no ba seki because say yamu na oji no gabe no be wu we ge dore for na pe ma wa ge kini say yamu we do we me pe ma wa de gbe na keke o e won no ti gbe pastor gbọ́dọ̀ na rí election ẹ̀ ìka ìpè é dẹ́rẹ̀ ìwé ìgbẹ́ ìpè é máa wà gẹ̀ ẹ́ ìṣẹ́yẹ́ mú gbọ́dọ̀ na rí election ẹ̀ ìwúlẹ̀ èmi náà wà rí igi náà wà sọ gẹ́ ẹ́ mẹ́rin ọ̀bẹ ọ̀rẹ́ wọn ìdè pẹ́ máa wà. làwọn àwọn wà tí ẹyẹ sì mẹ́. Well, yeah, make sorry kabaka o. Dami ha. Wa dami ha. Ubege ele pastor tanaki o. Ni ga move lele jáde work ya mu election ri ya pastor wa mi no tania when ya ge iya ma lead a party no lead iya mu yere ni iya mu iya destroy iya le jáde pony unity kian ya destroy ya kian u bere ze ya mu pastor ti egbe o pastor to na wunu so egbon eni wa kan vote na do lapo ọmọ e lapo je re na ya re kini ya do Oba Palace nya yan kian ne ya do ki o jani so wa wàá vote na say yamu or when you vote na Obaseki but when I call na people for house make dem vote for Obaseki e say yamu no get help wey wan come do for Benin for Edo State na the one wey Oshiomhole eat remain na him wan come finish you understand e no get help wey wan come do for Benin so make una vote for Obaseki But when I call on people for her, make them vote for Obaseki. And when I see advice on brothers, on our youth, make them not use them for any rubbish. Who want vote? When you go there, go vote. If you vote finish, go your house. Make them not follow them, do all this nonsense when they do so. Make them stop them. Because he say, Yamu not get help what he want to do for them. He not get. If you don't use the finish, you go drop them. Now so you go do one. So make them want to open a high. He say, Yamu, this money where go they share so. Once he enter, he go fair recover those ones. Before he go start another thing they do. So this is the time I'm supposed to wake up now. More not vote for Isaiah Yamu. More not vote for Obaseki. Now Obaseki, now we want vote for. More not call people for house. May we vote for Obaseki. Now be Isaiah Yamu. Isaiah Yamu not get let to waka. If now want me to go the beat na mama for market, na fit vote for her. For me I don't want me to go the beat my people for market. Now make me they talk and I say, make them vote for Obaseki. Why? Because Obaseki don't get time for those ones. During the time of what do they call him, Oshobole, he won't clear market. He destroy all of the property. But Obaseki not do one like that. The time one drive the entire market, he do one. He say nothing. They not spoil anything for their property. But Oshobole, he destroy everything. You understand? Someone should vote for Obaseki. Why vote in Obaseki? Why call him why? Why not vote in Obaseki? I when he say Yamu Shomole who we sano. Or send it yes and Yale no Shomole. One year. Who can us walk out we be? Oh no me we cannot be why one of be. I can a nogie of Uromi. Oshomole also spend there for how many years? Obaseki la wala kedo moyin. One year. Then I'm already when I don't vote in there. Whether good or bad, I want never respect ne. Now we no gay. A boy that working at the vote now. I never respect now nigga. So I can why Obaseki Oshomole. I'm the side of power ye. If you sort of support of somebody, you might neck be. You might neck be. Why vote in Obaseki? Why vote in Obaseki wala ho? Why calling one year vote in Obaseki? Who be this messy? He say, Mama, may you rest for this matter. I go rest for this matter. And they campaign for Obaseki. They don't vote? No. So I don't feel rest so. Now if they don't vote, now I will feel rest for the matter. They never vote, so I don't feel rest. Because me and what has been just to take better. Then I do I am my meje. Obaseki no can package do. In my equal. Is there a Shomole 8 years ogbe? Or might you can do? Huh? And you know Obaseki here will Shomole man we have 8 years no. Not be. So what is the mechanic foot in Obaseki? Huh? He must have voted in Obaseki. Who party getting the money not say me? One year. When I get carry party, my market can boy you can make a night we full. Cause I swear ne. I'm not for ban. Is that you the web because he gonna hear one ya. I will be at the one. Why imagine how we are working one by day? Agbe na gba boy na wo edo is say ya wo we gbe mu ede cause any ye promise to the kabaka I say no na gbe na ne cause you time where on the 16th of November aya kan so collect ige agbewu edo iye ga wini apo so ba ko live When we go if you man pace again. Wala wa vote no Obaseki. Dara wa ma gbona laluwe. Egbe ko re okuwe. Why me gonna wa so azu? Why? Me ma we masses wo working well. I got get Obaseki bi go no we. O tie we wo do go. Wo ka wo ma win na. O gberu a o kede ru ade. Abi ajo ni we ma be win na Obaseki win na. O shomo le we gba ya. 8 years no shomo le gbe. Awe 1/4 efe ne. No Obaseki win na. O ma we. Well, we want an Obaseki do 2 where you go. Oh, toge. Obaseki ne go no ga ni waropa. O wa kere asosi ya. Obaseki ma begu wa. One ya. Ye we ene go na ga. Ada me like when e ga go. No where do no ma all the buy do le doji. What the yami e go na we man like do. O wa pretend kekan. We ga we ne do ke we the buy do le doji. Ani wa agbologe ku wa pa kekan. Wa wina uki agba wa mi go. Wa ma gbologe wa ma go wa le. So pa wa furu wa eh. Me aga na do agwede kasete wa ma gbe. O me ka so agbo we na duma eh. Alaluwe. Amoja. Ekwe mu eh. Ya le gba kan yo. Why I say? Well, I vote no Obaseki. Wa calling one of vote no Obaseki. Wa hiyo we. Wa we say o. Wa bye bye.